Hello everyone. This video we are going to look how we can transfer our profit to our bank account. Okay. Suppose if you are using for international securities application, in a sense, what is a procedure we need to follow? What is the steps we need to follow? Okay. That is what we will show over here until the money credited to our bank account along with the proof. Okay, so this will be the very easy step. Suppose if you're making for buy and sell, okay, and you made a profit, that profit how you are going to transfer in your account. Let's see. This is what the interface for ADX, okay, and as well as for the DFM also once you are opening for application, in which what you need to do, just you can click for account summary. Once you're opening account summary, it is available for 11,062.24, in which I am going to transfer for 1000 AED to my bank account. So how we are going to transfer for bank account, that is what we are going to look here. So once we looked for account summary, this much balance, from there it's available for three dotted line, right? So from here N is available, right? That is an NIN, and this one is a margin account, and margin account it's available for zero balance, all those things. So we are going to transfer from NIN account to our bank account. Okay, so for that you need to click for three dotted line from the right side corner, then you can click for transfer. Once you are clicking for transfer, it will open for these four options: internal transfer, external transfer, bank and transfers. So for this, for internal transfer, we can do for the transfer from one account to another account within the application itself. Okay, that is NIN to margin account or margin account to NIN. Okay, current balance is this much. Suppose if I am going to trade for margin account, in a sense, I can do for transfer. For that purpose, we need to use for internal transfer. Okay, so margin account and all I will post for new video how you can trade for margin account, what is margin account trade, okay, what is margin trade and all I will post for the new video regarding that. And for the next one, for external transfer, for this external transfer only we are going to use for transferring our fund to our bank account. Okay, so from here next one for bank, from here if you're updating for your bank detail, suppose any new bank account will be there, in a sense, you can update over here and you can click as save. Okay, for the respective account you can credit for your money. And for the next one, transfers, from here whatever request you are giving, okay, that request ID and what is a date you requested, what is a request status, that will show over here. Okay, so what is that you are doing under the transfer, that one will be available here. So now we can do for external transfer, it's available for two options, that is check request and wire transfer. Suppose if you want check, in a sense, you can click as check, or else wire transfer. Wire transfer is that is a e-transfer for your money, okay, and electronically convert your money to your bank account. That is what wire transfer. So for me not required for check request, for me required for wire transfer. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting for wire transfer over here. For the account, I'm selecting from NIN. So which account to which account I need to transfer my money. So balance is available NIN account, so I am selecting for NIN which is available, and automatically my bank account will be show over here. Okay, so from this bank account need to transfer for 1000. Okay, so what I'm doing, from here available balance 11,000 something, so I can transfer 11,000 itself, or whatever amount is required, that much amount I can transfer. So what I'm doing, transfer amount I am typing for 1000. Okay, once I am typing for 1000, I need to click for I do confirm that the provided IBAN belongs to, okay, that information is given, no, so that information above information everything is correct or not. Okay, so whatever wrong, that is I am the one liable. Okay, that is what the thing we are going to give over here. For that only we are clicking for that box. So before clicking that box, you need to check it, IBAN number and everything else. It will come automatically only, you're not going to type it. So that's the reason you need to check it, and you have to click this one and click for transfer over here. Once you're clicking this transfer, it will show like this. Okay, or you sure you want to transfer this amount 1000 as a wire transfer to your bank account? You can click as okay, yes, I need for 1000. Then it will show you for success for okay. So I'm giving this request on 13th of September. So now I'm checking for account summary, it's reduced for 1000. See, net portfolio value is 10,062. Okay, so later, little late, what I'm doing in a sense, again I'm going and clicking over there. Okay, for transfer, see here I requested one request, right? It's showing for this one. This is what the date, 13th September I requested. Current status is pending status. Okay, so this is a way it will show under the transfers. Once showing, once you look this one, what you need to do, I'm checking for my account little time later. Okay, after checking my account, right now I'm checking it's credited or not for 1000, or else they deducted some charges or not. Okay, that is what we are going to look here. So once I'm clicking this one, it's credited 994.75. It means what, 5.25 they charged for the transaction charges. So it's credited on same day itself, 994.75. I think this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful, you can subscribe this channel if you're a new viewer. Okay, suppose if there is any query, you can leave a comment below, or else if you like this video, you can give a like button. That is a small reward you're giving to me as a free of way. Okay, normally this transfer will take for 1 to 4 days. Okay, after the settlement date, that's very important, settlement date for 2 days. Okay, from the description I will give you how to buy and how to sell, how to calculate for commission and all. Okay, you can make use of the videos. Okay, based on that you can do it. Okay, thank you everyone.